Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So I've reviewed quite a few massage guns in the past, and today I've got this new one. It's called the Renpho Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Now I'm going to be giving you an unboxing, an overview, and showing you the difference between what this can do, what the other ones that I've previously reviewed cannot do. So primarily the biggest difference, it comes with an LCD screen to give you better visibility of battery life, the level of speed that you're on, and just basically all around much more usability. So let's just get straight into it. So let's go ahead and open the box. It comes in this very nice carry case, as you can see. Got a nice leather strap there. Let's go ahead. So just at the top here, you've got the user guide to give you an idea on how to set it up. You also have the main gun there, the UK plug socket, and then 4 different heads, which are very common. So these heads are the ball head, the U-shaped fork head, the flat hammer head, which has a bit of acupuncture ridges in there for a little bit of acupressure, and then you have the bullet head as well, which gets really deep into muscles like the hip flexors and other areas that require targeted massaging. So this is the gun. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm gonna use the hammer head here for an example, so I'll just attach that, push that in, put the rest to the side. So this is the size. It's actually not too heavy. It does look quite bulky, but it's quite light in your hands. At the bottom you have the charging port there. You also have the on and off switch, so you can turn it on from there. Now this is a 2500 milliamp hour battery, so that gives you roughly around 8 hours of use on a single charge, and it takes about 2 to 3 hours to give you a full charge from a flat battery. Now let me go ahead and turn this on. You have the colored LED ring here. Now the main thing about this is that it comes with an LCD screen. On the left hand side you have the level indicator, and on the right hand side you have the battery indicator. So right now it's on 4, which means 40%, but it goes up to 1.0, which is 100%, and this has up to 20 levels. So it's quite rare to have a lot of levels on these types of massage guns. Some of the ones I've had in the past only has 3 levels, some of them have 5, but this one actually goes from 1 to 20, so very granular level of vibration you can get in this massage gun. Now this is how you power it on. You just press that button there in the middle. As you can see, this is level 1. Now from noise point of view, this comes in at less than 55 decibels, which is quite common with a lot of similar items like this, but it's actually very silent. So this is level 1. I'm going to hold it a little bit closer to the microphone here, and I'm going to go all the way to level 20. But just to let you know, this has 3200 RPM, which is revolutions per minute. So that is quite a lot of vibrations and intensity, which is on par with a lot of the mainstream massage guns that are on the market. So let me go ahead to level 20, just so you can get an idea of the vibration intensity and the noise levels. And you can't go any further than 20. There we go. Just hold it a little bit closer. You can see it's very silent, and you can still hear me speaking over it as well. So very convenient. It's lightweight. I would suggest that you don't use this for too long. It does come with a safety feature. Let me just turn that off. It does come with a safety feature of 15 minutes of usage, and it will automatically turn off. The other feature is it will show you the error E01 if it's less than 10% battery life in there, or it will show you the error message E04 if you are pressing too hard and the actual head has gone in a little bit further than it should do. So that means you just have to take it out, loosen it, turn it off, and restart it to get rid of the error message. So good security measures in there, and I really like the fact that it has an LCD screen, so I can now for once see the exact battery percentage that is left in my massage gun. Now let's go ahead and see actually how it feels by using it. Alright guys, so this is a deep tissue massage gun. So if you are an athlete or you play a lot of sports and you get injuries or strains and muscle aches and that kind of stuff, then this is the perfect tool for you. So I do go to the gym quite often. I do a lot of weightlifting, so I do get time for time some injuries, some back pain, some shoulder pain. So let me go ahead and see actually on level 20 how this feels. So just starting off with my arm, I'm using a hammerhead at the moment. It's actually feeling quite good. Now I can press quite hard, like there on my shoulders, and it's really hitting the right spot there. Long-term use, maybe 10 minutes, I can imagine I could feel so much better after using this. Now I do have a couple of these as well. This one just feels nice in your hand. The grip as well, it's got a nice little rubbery grip there on the handle. You've got the light just to indicate if you're running out of battery, so you can see this is slightly coming up to red, so it's dropped down to 20%. So I should be getting a warning very soon to start charging it, but it feels nice. Even if I use it on my legs, that's really good. I can see myself getting rid of a lot of aches with this. So for me, it's a complete thumbs up. I would definitely recommend this. And what's best about this is that it's a lot cheaper than a lot of the ones currently on the market. So this, at the time of this video, is just under £100. So it's £99 on Amazon. Now, a good thing is I have a 10% discount for all of you guys watching. If you want to get 10% off this on Amazon UK, then I've got the discount code linked in the description below. That will expire on October 2020, so you have a long time from when this video was published to purchase it. So if there's any other questions you want on this specific massage gun or in massage guns in general, then do drop a comment below. Otherwise, I hope you found that useful. I'm going to be using this in the gym going forward, and if there's anything else you'd like to know, then do let me know. I hope you subscribe. I've got a lot more cool reviews coming out in the future, and I will catch you guys at the next one. Take care.